In this tutorial, I'll show you how to better name pages in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page you want to create or rename. When choosing a page title, think about the words you or your teammates would naturally search for later. Use clear and descriptive names instead of generic titles like notes, draft, or meeting. Include important details such as the project name, topic, department, or purpose of the page to make it easier to identify. For example, instead of naming a page meeting notes, use a title like Marketing Team Meeting Notes, June 2026. Try to follow a consistent naming convention across your team or workspace so pages are organized and easy to browse. If your content changes over time, consider including dates, quarters, or version numbers in the title when appropriate. Avoid using unnecessary special characters that can make page titles harder to read and manage. Keep titles concise while still providing enough context for someone to understand the page without opening it. For large projects, use parent and child pages alongside clear page names to create a logical content structure. You can also add labels to pages to improve searchability and make related content easier to find. After choosing a clear and consistent title, save or publish the page. Well-named pages make Confluence easier to search, navigate, and maintain, helping your entire team find information faster. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to better name pages in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.